Hi guys, Venomous Man here, and welcome to another unboxing. But this time, Cameraman's going to do the unboxing because this parcel's for Cameraman. Yep, I've let Cameraman in front of the camera. Let's see what happens. And Cameraman's got a knife, so I better stand back a bit. Alright, Cameraman's go sell. Beast Hunters Laserback. Cameraman, can I proper look at that? Okay, no. Cameraman, the people want to see it. Okay, there he is. Alright, Cameraman, turn it over. There's the... Cameraman! Yeah, okay. One more time. Alright, there you go. Okay, Cameraman, you can put that down now. Let's see what else you got. Ah, Cameraman's got paper. Thanks. He's got himself a Conveyor Defensor, or Gaia Guardian as he's known as. Cameraman likes his Japanese candy. Okay, very nice. There you go. Don't just throw him, Cameraman. And finally, he's got himself Beast Hunters Predator King. Uh-oh, Cameraman, your face is on the screen. There you go. Very nice. Okay, well. Okay, thank you, Cameraman. Okay, Cameraman, move the box quickly. Let's put this guy down here. Let's have a proper look. Oh, there's a nut. He looks very nice. Yep, we'll put all the stuff on here. Yeah, so Cameraman's definitely happy with this haul. I'm going to order from PayPal, but it's decided not been shipped yet. So, okay. Down there. Okay, well, Cameraman's gonna have a lot of fun with this. So, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll catch you in the next unboxing.